Requesting both the teams if they can please line up in front of the main stage. Both the teams. Abir Baba cricketers Bardez and Shri Bandeshwar 11 Sawantwadi. रिक्वेस्ट करता दोनोय टीमी लागी मातशे तेंच्यांनी बेगीनूच पेंडला फुडल्यान येवचे. दोनूय टीमी मातश्यो बेगीनूच प्रेझेंटेशन सेरेमनीक येवच्यो. Requesting both the teams, if they can, please come towards the presentation arena. Both the teams, winners as well as the runners-up. Requesting all the Dhruv members to please come in front of the stage. All the Dhruv members who are wearing the blue jersey. Dhruv members, please come towards the pendle. Good morning, everyone, and welcome to the post-tournament presentation ceremony of Dhruv Trophy 2024. First of all, we'd like to have all the members of Dhruv in front of us quickly. Today, in fact, tonight, in the presentation party, we have Shri Mahesh Konadkar, President, Dhruv Trophy, Shri Aniket Salgaonkar, President, PPL, Shri Ajay Kalangudkar, Sarpanch, Parse, Village Panchayat, Shri Deepak Kalangudkar, Chairman, Dhruv, Shri Mohit Sopdekar, Social Worker, Advocate Amit Sawant, Shri Sanjay Nagwekar, Shri Hussain Makandar, and Sir Devendra Prabhu Desai. A big round of applause to all the guests. First of all, we'd like to honor all the umpires, the officials. As I call out your names, please come and collect your memento. Abhijit Tarekar, Amay Naik, and Siddesh Harmalkar. Quickly onto the podium. Will be felicitated by Shri Deepak Kalangutka. Starting with Abhijit Tarekar, followed by Amay Naik and Siddesh Harmalkar. Will be felicitated by Shri Deepak Kalangutka, all the officials. Abhijit Tarekar, big round of applause to Abhijit Tarekar. Followed by Amay Naik. Big round of applause to Amay Naik. Umpiring is not an easy job. Followed by Siddesh Harmalkar. Thank you. Thank you so much. As we have many prizes to come, first we'll have the man of the final. Any guesses for man of the final? Only one name comes in our mind. Ranjan Keni, 49 not out, will be getting a mixer, trophy and jersey presented by Abhi's Mahalakshmi Sports. And Shri Mahesh Konadkar will do the honors. Ranjan Keni, if you can please come forward and take your trophy along with the other prizes, mixer and the jersey from Abhi's Mahalakshmi Sports. Terrific innings under pressure, as it was mentioned earlier by Badal Chaudhary. It's a slow poison. He took the game till the very end and he finished off it in style. Never looked like out of shape, completely taking the Bardes with a storm in that final over. Superb innings under pressure from Ranjan Keni. Next up, we have the best bowler. I would like to request Shri Ajay Kalangutka to do the honors. 9 wickets will be getting a jersey from Abhi's Mahalakshmi Sports, a trophy. And the best bowler of the tournament is Ashish Mehrul for his 9 wickets. A big round of applause to Ashish Mehrul. Ashish, if you can come quickly towards the podium to collect your trophy. Abir Baba cricketers, Ashish Mehrul. Looks like he's not there. We'd like Shani to come and take it on his behalf. We'll just wait for him. We'll be getting a washing machine, semi-automatic washing machine, Amstrad. Ashish Mehrul is the best bowler of the tournament with 9 wickets. Bowling under pressure in the entire tournament. Just couldn't quite take his team over the line in this big finale. Fantastic bowling performance from Ashish Mehrul. 9 wickets, gets a jersey, gets a trophy. and also the washing machine. Best bowler for you, Ashish Merul with 9 wickets in this Dhruv Trophy 2024. Next up, we have the batsman. I would like to request Shri Aniket Salgaonkar to do the honors. Any guesses for best batsman will be getting a trophy, washing machine, jersey from Abhi's Mahalakshmi Sports. Runs with the bat, 189 runs in the entire tournament. It's Suraj Gavde, the best batsman of the tournament. Man from Pernem, to the all occasions, has risen. It's Krishna Satpute of Goa, as he's been proclaimed Suraj Gavde. 189 runs with the bat. Thank you. Next we'll have the semi-finalist 1 winners. Sai Jai Bodegeshwar Bicholim. Any members from Sai Jai Bodegeshwar Bicholim, if they can please come forward and take the trophy. Sai Jai Bodegeshwar Bicholim. Any member from Sai Jai Bodegeshwar Bicholim? I would like to request Sir Devendra Prabhudesai to do the honors. Any member from Sai Jai Bodegeshwar Bicholim? Sai Zore, if you are around. Any member from the Sai Jai Bodegeshwar Bicholim team? Birju, we have seen Birju somewhere. If you are around, can please come and collect the trophy on behalf of your team. Semi-finalist 1, Sai Jai Bodegeshwar Bicholim. Anyone to collect? Yes, Birju, come running to collect the semi-finalist trophy from the hands of Sir Devendra Prabhudesai. Played really well in the entire tournament. The entire team of Sai Jai Bodegeshwar Bicholim just couldn't quite cross that one hurdle towards the finals. Thank you. Next up we have the semi-finalist 2. I would like to request Advocate Amit Sawant to do the honors. And that is Kankon Titans, Kankon. Any member from Kankon Titans, Kankon? Birju, you can only come and collect it on their behalf. Birju, please come quickly. Is any member present there? Otherwise, I would like to request any member from Dhruv. Nikhil will be collecting the trophy on their behalf. Kankon Titans, Kankon displayed some terrific cricket in the entire tournament. Team from Kankon. Next up, we have the player of the tournament. I would like to request Shri Mohit Sopadekar to do the honors. We'll be getting a refrigerator, bag, jersey, trophy, and a bet. Wait up, hold up. Let the prizes be on top so that it can be displayed properly. So we'll have many prizes. Refrigerator first, then a bag, jersey from the Abhi's Mahalakshmi Sports, a trophy as well, and a bet. Any guesses for the player of the tournament? Yes, guessed it right. Ranjan Keni, 111 runs and 2 defining knocks. One in the semi-final and one in the final. And rightly so, he is the player of the tournament. 2 knocks that have completely changed the complexion of the tournament. First in the semi-final, next in the final. In the qualifier 1, where he played a terrific knock. And also we have seen Many of the people, many of the crowd saw it, how he took the game towards the finishing line for his team. "19 runs were required in the final over, and this man proved to be successful with the bat. Many congratulations to Ranjan Keni for his 111 runs and that defining knock in the final of 49 not out. Thank you. Next up, we have the silverware runners-up trophy. I would like to request the entire guest to please hand over the trophy to the captain of Abir Baba Cricketers, Bardez. First, the captain could come in to collect the trophy and the check, and rest I would like to ask the entire team if they can please stand in front for a photograph. Cash prize of rupees 1 lakh for the runners-up, Abir Baba Cricketers, Bardez. Requesting the skipper if he can please come and collect the trophy as well as the check. Also requesting the members if they can please come for a photograph. Entire team of Abir Baba Cricketers, Bardez. We've got the owner to collect the trophy, Mr. Salgaonkar, along with Chani. The entire team, if they can please come and stand in front. Or they can sit up. Yes, please sit. Tough luck, guys, but you played really well in the entire tournament. Star cast lineup this. Missing out, there are 2 overseas signing, but still displayed fabulous cricket in the entire tournament. We'll have a photograph. Thank you very much. Tough luck, but you can be proud of your efforts in this tournament. Thank you very much. Next up, we have the winners. Come on. Requesting the captain, if he can please come. Raja Natekar, if you can please come and collect the trophy and the check. Check of rupees 2 lakhs. And the trophy of this Dhruv Trophy 2024. Requesting the entire guest, the star cast on top, to present the trophy to the skipper, Raja Natekar. With the barest of margin. 1 delivery, 1 run to get, and they did it in some style. Many congratulations to Shri Bandeshwar 11 Sawantwadi, defeating the Abir Baba Cricketers, Bardez, in the grand finale. Looks like the entire people from Sawantwadi have come to collect the trophy and the team. It will be a big rally. Maybe they'll be reaching home in the morning at 6 with the celebration that they have. Superb bit of effort. And they are the truly, fittingly the winners of this Dhruv Trophy 2024.
ऐसे ही और भी वीडियोस के लिए चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करो और बेल आइकन को दबाना बिल्कुल मत भूलना। ऐसे ही और भी वीडियोस के लिए